আজকে আমরা গুরুত্বপূর্ণ একটা কোর্ট আপডেট নিয়ে হাজির হয়েছি প্রাইমারি টেট রিলেটেড। বিচারপতি অমৃতা সিনহা তিনি আবার বিস্ফোরকভাবে আরেকটা গুরুত্বপূর্ণ অর্ডার তিনি নির্দেশ দিলেন। আজকের যে অর্ডারটি হচ্ছে সেটা হচ্ছে প্রাইমারি টেট 2014 এবং 16 ডিএলএড প্রাপ্ত মানে যারা ট্রেনিং প্রাপ্ত টিচার্সদের জন্য। ওই সমস্ত টিচার্সরা এতদিন পর্যন্ত যে আনট্রেন্ড হিসাবে নিয়োগপত্র পেয়েছে এবং সেই হিসাবেই তারা বিবেচিত হচ্ছে, বেতন সেভাবে পাচ্ছে। যেটা 17 সালে যে রিক্রুটমেন্ট হয়েছিল 42,000 যা প্যানেল, তার মধ্যে তিনি আজকে বিচারপতি হিসাবে তিনি যে পর্ষদের যে আইনজীবী তিনি যা যা যুক্তি দিলেন তিনি কোনো কথাই তিনি শুনেননি। তিনি নতুনভাবে তিনি আজকে একটা অর্ডার পেশ করলেন যে সমস্ত যে 14 এবং 16 সালের যারা ট্রেনিং প্রাপ্ত হয়েছিল শুধুমাত্র তারা সার্টিফিকেট হাতে না পাওয়ার জন্য তাদেরকে আনট্রেন্ড হিসাবে ট্রিটেড করা হয়, আনট্রেন্ড হিসাবে তাদেরকে প্যানেলে অন্তর্ভুক্ত করা হয়। কিন্তু তাদের চাইতে যাদের কাট অফ কম ছিল তবু তারা ট্রেন্ড হিসাবে নিয়োগপ্রাপ্ত হয় এবং তাদেরকে সেইভাবে স্যালারি দেওয়া হয়, যেটা তিনি মানতে নারাজ। তিনি তার জন্য একটা যুগান্তকারী রায় দিয়ে দিলেন যে 42,000 প্যানেলের মধ্যে তাদেরকে ইনক্লুড করতে হবে এবং তাদের যাবতীয় ফিনান্সিয়াল যে সুযোগ সুবিধা সেগুলো দেওয়ার তিনি নির্দেশ দিলেন। তো আমরা দেখে নেব তিনি আর কি কি নির্দেশ দিয়েছেন, তার যে লাইভ স্ট্রিম। বন্ধুর ভিডিওটি স্কিপ না করে পরপর দেখবেন, চ্যানেল নতুন হলে অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন এবং এখান থেকে কিন্তু গুরুত্বপূর্ণ সেই সমস্ত টিচারদের জন্য আর কি কি বেনিফিটের তিনি দিলেন সেটা আমরা লাইভে দেখে নেব। ওকে, চলো দেখে নিই।
What is the matter?
The petitioners are the candidates of 2014-16 DLED batch. My lord, kindly number 49, ma'am.
Yes.
Firstly, petitioners are the candidates from 2014 DLED batch. And in page 49, board has issued, the secretary of the board issued a notice to all heads of DLED institution. 49, my lord.
Tell me what your prayer is.
Prayer to consider me as a trained candidate.
Prayer to consider you as trained candidate because you had obtained the training, but the certificate was
Yes,
not given to you on
Yes,
time.
my lord, and from the very earlier days, my lord, we are getting A category salary, page
Yes,
51.
from 2017 you are getting it.
Yes, ma'am.
The difficulty is the petition was filed in 2023. The petitioner has joined in 2017 as an untrained candidate, knowingly that on the date of joining they have obtained, but on the inception, as they were not having the certificate, they joined as an untrained candidate. Subsequently, they received the certificate. After so many years, he has filed this repetition as because there is another matter where untrained candidates of 2016 recruitment process service has been terminated and the appeal is pending. And the petitioner is falling under that category as the petitioner has joined as untrained. But admittedly, he is a trained candidate of 2014-16 DLED candidate.
Are you ready to treat the petitioners as trained
Worship,
ones?
the difficulty is the petitioner has joined in the untrained panel, district-wise. Now he want to be treated as a trained candidate. That panel is different, untrained panel is different. Cut-off marks are different. Everything is different, Lordship. I don't know as on date if that petitioner is put in the panel of the trained candidate, whether that cut-off marks he is having or not. Maybe he is having, but those two panels are different. That is expired in 2017, Lordship. As on date, the board has cannot be done anything about regarding the panel, Lordship. In
Tell me
trained and
one thing.
untrained. One thing can be done, Lordship, as the appeal is pending of 2016 recruitment untrained candidate. The petitioner can be sent back to the appeal court saying that he is admittedly trained candidate, Lordship. 2014 and 16 DLED, all the districts apart from these four districts the petitioner is belonging, apart from 4 districts, other districts have received their certificates and they are joined as a trained candidate. Only these petitioners cannot, as they have received the certificate in the dilated dates.
Tell me,
Lordship.
if you treat them as trained as on date,
Lordship.
will they get any further benefit?
No, they are getting benefits. They are
Then
getting benefits,
what
Lordship.
is the
But
use?
board cannot change the data as on date. If there is a direction of the honorable court, that can be done. But
Yes.
the difficulty is, Lordship, again I am telling
Why
that
will-
panel,
I have
they are
followed
getting
it.
all the benefits.
Oh,
There
I
is
have
no
followed
objection
it.
in that.
But thing is, why will the petitioner suffer for
Yes,
the
ma'am.
delay on your part? Give me their answer.
Lordship,
I will be
that can
okay.
be that the petitioner could have agitated in 2017, Lordship. In 2023, they are filed the petition agitating. Nothing
They
has
are
put in
agitating.
record, Lordship, that they have at least return something to the authority that
They
yes,
are
keep me as a trained candidate.
agitating because of the subsequent facts. They are fearing for their right to life and liberty, their livelihood.
Not be lordship because
Then-
they are admittedly they are trained.
Please come.
It cannot be denied by the board. But the panel lordship, that panel difficulty is there lordship always. Trained and untrained panel are different. And
The
cut-off marks
facts
are
of the
different.
case have been succinctly recorded in the order dated 9th July 2024. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the board fairly submits that the petitioners have obtained the training, DLED training,
2016, 2016,
in the year 2016.
2014, 2016.
In the academic year 2014-2016. Next, because of the delay on the part of the board to issue the training certificate, the petitioners were treated as untrained candidates and appointment was given to them in the untrained category batch. Not batch, but group. Stop. Paragraph. The petitioners being treated as trained candidates, the petitioners for being treated as trained candidates, are already receiving a category scale of pay. Stop. By recording that the petitioners are trained candidates, no further financial benefit or other benefit will accrue in their favor. Stop. Paragraph. An issue with regard to delay on the part of the petitioners in approaching the court, claiming themselves to be trained candidates, has been raised. Stop. Paragraph. It has been submitted by the learned advocate representing the petitioners that they have approached this court only after the issue was raised with regard to their training. And if the petitioners are treated as untrained candidates, they may lose their job. Paragraph. A candidate who has already passed the DLED examination cannot be treated as an untrained candidate, even if the training certificate is not issued. Even if the training certificate is issued in their favor at a delayed point of time. Stop. Once the petitioners become successful in the DLED training, they have to be treated as trained ones, irrespective of the fact of getting the training certificate at a delayed point of time. Stop. Their training will relate back to the 2014-2016 course. Stop. Next.
Lordship, this is in respect of only 4 district, Lordship, not other district, because repetitions are there of other districts.
But in
Lordship.
every district
That should not be
happened,
allowed,
my lord.
Lordship.
In every
Kindly.
district, it's happened, my lord.
No, kindly, Lordship.
They would
Only
have
4
been
districts,
restrained, my
admittedly 4 districts are delayed, Lordship. Not the other districts.
Kuchbihar, Howrah, Purba Medinipur, Burdwan and
Kuchbihar,
Malda.
Howrah, Purba
5.
Medinipur, Bardhaman.
And Malda. It's
Malda.
recorded. 5.
Right, Lordship.
Where are the other candidates from?
Other different districts. It happened in different districts. Otherwise, I would
That
have.
record will tell.
Otherwise, I will produce
The
the
other
certificate.
districts also, the certificate was issued at a
No,
delayed
Lordship.
point
Only
of time.
5 districts.
My lord, kindly sees, my lord, one page. Just sees one page. Kindly comes to page number 49.
Yes.
Secretary requested all the DLN institution to release the student of 2014-16 batch. I'm asking a question to myself. If I had the certificate.
Everybody is of the 14-16
Yes,
batch.
madam.
All.
Yeah, all.
And then
All,
it will be
admittedly,
of the above. The board, West Bengal Board of Primary Education, is directed to treat the petitioners as trained candidates of the DLED 2014-2016 course. Stop. The petitioners are already receiving the benefit of the training, and accordingly, no further benefit is required to be given to the petitioners. Its petition stands disposed. The board is directed to take necessary steps for correcting their official records by treating the petitioners as trained candidates.